Hey guys, this is me Pranav Kumar from the Octet Syntax channel. So today in this video, I'll be teaching you how you can use the Arduino Blink Cloud. So what is the Arduino Blink Cloud, you may ask? The Arduino Blink Cloud, not the Blink Cloud, Arduino IoT Cloud. The Arduino IoT Cloud is the Blink IoT platform, but it's just free also Blink is also free, but the point is it's very easy to use. So it's very easy for beginners. If you have used in Blink IoT platform, it's very complicated and stuff, but if you want to use this, you are a noob, you can use it. That's not the problem at all. So I'll be showing you how you can use it. So let's get started. So I'm up on Chrome. So what you want to do is just search for Arduino create agent. So create agent is the thing that is gonna connect your device, your board, to the internet. So this is all internet based. So there is just a second, there is no IDE or anything. It's just all is gonna happen in just one thing. So that's the thing. So first you want to just click on the Arduino create agent installation page, and then click on start. I have downloaded this, so I'm just gonna skip over it. So I have downloaded already, so I'm just gonna cancel it. So let me open my downloads, Control J. Here it is, Arduino create agent. Just open that. It's gonna ask yes. Click on yes. Okay. Just a second. As you can see, click on next, click on I accept. I have read it already. If you wanna, you can read it. Click on next. No, I'm not going to use anything other than Chrome, Mozilla, Firefox. If you are going to use like Opera or anything, just click on yes. Or even Microsoft Edge, you want to click yes. I'm going to only use it in Chrome, so I'm just click on next. It's just, that's it. It's pretty much installed. It's just going to launch it in a second. That's pretty much it. So it should open now. As you can see, next it's open. So it's that's pretty much it. You can go back to the original IoT Cloud website. So this is the IoT Cloud website. As you can see, when you open, it's gonna be like this. Just click on just sign in or log in. So first, let's start with the what are things and devices. So it's gonna pop up in a second. Just click on X. What are things and devices? Devices are the boards like esp32s, Arduino, Raspberry Pi, all of those. And then things are the code or the INO files, as you call it in the Arduino IDE. So just click on create thing. It's gonna create a script file. It's gonna create a blink everything. Not blink. I don't know why it's just keep on repeating. Give it a name. I'm gonna name my project Arduino IoT Cloud tutorial, and then associate a device. So a device is your board, so you just want to connect it. Click on select new device. What board you are using? I'm using a third-party esp32 board. esp32 is third-party, and then Arduino device like Arduino board which has Wi-Fi. I'm not having one of those. I'm gonna be using the third-party devices. Select your board. I'm using esp32, and then select the model. esp32 dev kit is there. So there dev model, as you can see. Just click on it's gonna give a random name. I'm just gonna settle with Bob, why not. Click on next. So just click on download PDF. It will be using later. Make sure you click on this, or you copy both and save it in a different file. You can't recover these, and just click on the tick mark, click on continue. So congratulations, you are all set. The board has been successfully set up. So click on done. So that's the setup part complete. So now you just want to click on associate device again. I know, just wait up, just stick with me here. with I don't know why it's taking long. It usually just pops in a minute or so. Okay, fine. I'll just go to what some pop up. Okay, my internet is okay. It's back. So it has been associated with the device. Now we will click on network Wi-Fi name. It's gonna be ABC for me, and then the password. Sorry, wrong password. So the secret key, that's where the thing comes into play. Control J is gonna take me to downloads. Open the device key, just download it. Copy the secret key over here. Just click on copy. Just paste it over here. Click on save. Your network has been connected also. Now you want to do is go to the variables. Cloud variables are the data streams, just to make sure. Yes, the cloud variables are like the data streams of Blink, so they are just variables that can access the cloud. They are in the Arduino backend stuff. Don't worry about that. Now first, so let's give the first variable that you want to be creating. So I'm going to be creating cloud variable, and click on the type. I'm going to be naming it as integer, as you can see, integer, usual integer. Just leave it as it is and write just on change whenever just create a function. Just leave it as it is. Click on add variable. So you successfully created the first variable. Let's go to the sketches and see what awaits us. So in the sketches, just remove these lines. I'm not explaining them anyway. So yes, it's nothing, pretty much. It's just what it works is what given here. It's not really important over here. So yes, okay, I accidentally destroyed a bit of code. So this is what you have clean after cleaning all the unwanted comments. So as you can see, my model is connected to the COM5. If I unplug it, it's gonna unplug. So as you can see, just plug it back, plug in your esp32 or your module, and then click on let's start coding now actually. So first we have the setup function and the loop function. So first we have already declared the variable cloud var. So the cloud var is going to be in the variable. So let's see, I'm going to create another variable called int r var. Close this, man. OneDrive, I don't even use it anymore. One r var. So let's say you want to get the value from the cloud variable and save it as r value. So what do you want to do? Just click on r var equals cloud var variable. So yeah, that's the way you get it, and it's vice versa. It's just a variable there. You can edit in the dashboard. We'll be getting to that later. So that's, yeah. So but now I'm gonna say it as a bool. So I'm just gonna remove this line. I'm going to be coding it in the on change. So what happens is whenever the variable is changed, this function occurs. So what you want to do? So what I want to do is just get the values and check if cloud var. So 1 second here, setup. Yes, it is cloud var equals 1. If it is 1, I'm gonna check, set it to let's say r val equals true. The same if for another one, else if equals 0, it's gonna be false. So yeah, So yeah, it's gonna, when the value is one of the cloud variable, will be, let's say we have a button in the, we have a button, so on the device, even if we click on button, it's gonna change the value to be 1. If it's off, it's gonna be 0, and you're just setting the true value. In the loop function, let's put out a thing, if or val, okay, just serial dot print ln, and we're going to printing the value of or var. So this is going to be our code for now. It's pretty much good. That should make sure there's no errors. Click on the verify and upload button. So there is another problem with the Arduino IoT cloud. The problem is that it registers the compile times also. If the compile time is too much, it's we are pretty much done. So that's the point. If the compile time, you compile it again and again, if you compile, keep on compiling, and the compile exceeds at the limit, tomorrow is the day, only day you can do it. So yeah, that's the only problem with Arduino. Another problem with Arduino IoT cloud, sorry, lot of slip ups today. And the cloud dot, okay, this is the new or val equals to, I don't understand what's problem here. So let's just see that print over here. I don't know why this error is popping up. This usually doesn't happen. Let's see that print hey, if this occurs, or hello if this occurs, and just remove this line. Exactly, it's not even gonna be useful. So if it's turning on, it's gonna be hey, and if it's turn off, it's gonna be hello. That's the thing. It's pretty much that you can guess what you can do with it. So yeah, I'm sure you can know, you know how to upload the code to the esp32. If you don't know how to do it, you can go on back to the blink tutorial, and you just want to hold the button when it says printing. So I will see you right after it gets uploaded. Kiss me, close your eyes and miss me. Kiss me. As you can see, the upload has been started. Just code and press the menu, the boot button. As you can see, the writing, it's going to be written in the function. The problem was the boot wasn't really working. I don't know why. It usually works. It's just my second recording. I don't know why it's not working. So yep, it's finished, successfully uploaded. So yes, now it's has been done. So let's go to our setup actually again, and go to the dashboard section. Click on build dashboard. So I'm gonna only be teaching you how you can use the button, switch button, switch. So the name is gonna be the same, high digit frame, I don't care about that. Linked variable, so I'm gonna be linking the cloud variable, oh sorry, not this, not switch, actually add slider. I'm just gonna slider to be the cloud variable. Click on a link variable. I'm just gonna click on the same. Maximum is gonna be 0 or 1, and then it's connected here. So as you can see, we have linked this variable, so when it's gonna be this side, it's gonna be like that. So let's just delete. Now as you can see, if it's like this, it's gonna be 1. like this, it's going to be 0. So that's the point I'm trying to make here. So let's see if our internet has been connected to the hotspot. So my esp32 has been connected to my hotspot. That's what it has been just saying in my phone. My phone, I have checked it. It should be online. Yes, online. Sketch. If I go to the serial monitor, just gonna plot it over here. Unplot this. Just move it over here. Let's say I'm going to my dashboard over here. So 1 second. Dashboard. Untitled dashboard. Here am I. So trying. Okay, now it's connected. So if I click on one, it's gonna be printing out over here. So it has been connected properly. So now if it's gonna be one, it's gonna be printed over here. So it's just the network problem over here. So it's just a small issue in the hurdle. So now if we go back to the things over here, and we're not going to be talking about the templates over now or the integrations. We have covered the 3 topics. These 2 topics will be alert has been updated the cloud variable 9 minutes ago. So yes, now it has been, as you can see, we got a notification that it has been updated. It's working successfully. So we have a run a test. It's working successfully. So that's pretty much the video. This exact code is available on my GitHub, so it's just, you can just copy and paste it. Just change the variable name if you have type in another variable. So I hope you like this video. Hope you guys to see you in other videos also. In the next upcoming videos, my friend will be explaining about I'm thinking that he's explaining about JavaScript probably, because he's a web developer. So hope to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.